Good morning, everybody. Just thought I'd take you out here in the January 5th blizzard. We do have some snow, not super thick yet, but I had to come out here. I've got a bottle baby. He just became one, so I had to feed him. Figured while I was out here I'd feed everybody else. Here's Pip. My barn's a mess. Kind of dark. Here we go. I gotta find my little buddy. Hang on. Alright, gotta wake him up. Come here, buddy. You hungry? Are you hungry? Hey! I'm pretty sure it's nice and warm for you. I had it in my shirt. We're learning. Come here, fella. Come here, open up. Open up. There you go. I believe his mom has mastitis, or she just has a congested udder. I'm not really sure what, but when they eat like this, you know that their mom isn't giving them enough milk. She's got triplets, but the other two seem like they're getting something. And this little guy, he's always had a little bit of a problem, so. That's a nice warm bottle. It's pretty chilly out here. Last I looked, it felt like 3 degrees, I think it was. He goes all different directions, and then he'll butt the bottle and it'll fly out of my hand, and hey, try not to run me over. This is actually milk that I had from 2 years ago. You can still use it. Stop it, Christy. You can still use the milk, so all you have to do is thaw it out, and then you have to beat it up a little bit with a mixer or something. No, Christy. No. That's actually your aunt's milk, so stop. Hey. Let's not, no, go away. And we got dogs making all kinds of racket over here. Come on. Yes, you had a bottle a long time ago. The wind looks like it's trying to come from the east. Pip is gonna get the pups here in a minute. Pups are loose in here because I just was not carrying buckets of water, because we're supposed to have a sub-zero week. So anyway, I thought I would just show everybody what the blizzard was like and feed my little bottle buddy here. There's no way that, I don't think he could eat anymore. That's a 16-ounce bottle he just sucked down. Buddy, you can't eat no more. You're done. Yeah, it was a full bottle. Just got a little bit left. Didn't get a chance to disbud these guys because, honestly, guys, I just have not had a chance. Randy's been sick. And did you have to come pee in front of the camera, really? Probably knock me over, too, while she's at it. That's actually her grandson, this one little fella here. Well, Mama's over there. She's fed those two babies, but for whatever reason, she just quit feeding this one, so I fed him. So I'll just give him a 16-ounce bottle twice a day till he's about 8 weeks old, I guess, and then we'll call it good. It is cold in here because the wind's coming out of the east and it's blowing my plastic doorway. As you guys know, I've got plastic on my doors. And I never, I mean, I wear gloves, but most of the time while I'm out here, I'm doing something, I don't have them on. That's why my hands are like sandpaper. So you can see it's a little bit of snow's blowed in, and that wind's cold now. I gotta find these dogs. Here, pups! They don't want to stay in here for some reason. Come on, pups. Come on. Here, pups. No, not goat. Hey, get back in there. No, not baby goats. Go on, shoo. Shoo. Come on, pups. Come on, pups. Come on, pups. Come on. All right, we got pups back in here. Oh, that one's over there. One over here. Anybody need a puppy? I really, at this point, I just need to get rid of puppies. Oh, we still have dog food. I ain't got to fill that up. See what happened to the chair. Buggers. Go out here and feed Whisper. The snow's really not that hard, but because it's windy and it's really like overcast, I guess it's coming down pretty good. I gave Whisper extra hay yesterday so I didn't have to get the tractor out this morning. It's about 7:45, I guess. He's in here hanging out. Had a nice blanket of snow on him, but it's melted off. He went inside the shed, so he's not cold. It's really hard to walk in the snow, even though there's not a whole lot of it. Randy's truck is going to be an obstacle when it comes to clearing the driveway out. Yesterday I did some prep work, filled up water tanks, got hay out, brought hay to the barn, gave the does extra bale of grass hay. It's like Pip needs some food. So that's what we got in here. I'd do some video of the kids playing, but their moms are violent sometimes. They like playing on those tubs. Oh, those two are still over there. I don't know why the dogs were over there, but they were. They got out again because they could slip through the fence, and they could slip underneath the fence. And I don't know where they thought they were going, but he's just out playing, I guess. They like hearing their little feet boing. I think my little buddy, I don't even see him now. He's probably out there all rested up, ready for his next bottle later. Bubbles is looking for her kids. She wants to feed them. They probably want me to put their hay out. Quit being so mean to your daughter. My God, that goat is huge. And I have a feeling she ain't, I don't know where she is in her gestation period, but Christy's just mean. Mean to everybody. Katie Bug, she's over there. She's still got all 3 of her babies, and she's still feeding all 3 of her babies. And she absolutely hates Bubbles for some reason. She says it's not feeding time, it's mom time. Okay, Bubbles got 2 of her kids over there. Got them in the pen, I guess. That's where she wanted them. There's my little guy. Yeah, that's your baby that you're not feeding. I'll have to put some baking soda in his bottle tonight. He's so full, he don't know what to do with himself. He had a rough start anyway. He couldn't walk for a day or 2. I gave him some stuff I got from Premier One that they give to their sheep, their lambs, and it seemed like it helped a whole lot. And then he got up and he was nursing and everything was good. Yeah, I guess he's probably, I have to look to see when he was born, but I think he's only about 3 weeks old. They're going to hate me here in a minute because I'm going to chase them all out. So tough. You gotta get Hilda her food. Doesn't even do me any good to put it in a bowl. She buries them too. Cold out here for me. Brandy was still sleeping when I came out, so you want some of that? Are you sick? Are you cold? boogers. Get up underneath there. Get up underneath there. I don't want to run you over. Come on, you gotta move. Where's other puppy? Where's other puppy? Are they hiding? Are they hiding? There he is. He's back there hiding. Are you hiding? Are you cold? You are. There's no baby goat feed in here because the dogs will eat it, but I put their food in here so they can eat their food without the goats eating it, because the goats will get into the dog feeder and eat the dog food. Hey, fellas. You guys got dog food, I think. Yeah, you got dog food. Yeah. I'm excited to open that up. And who did it? Somebody untied it, because I tie everything. Probably one of those big goats. This is the baby pile area. That's where they all like to go, which I don't know why they want to be over there, because there's a big old draft coming through that door. Boy, you're a big goat. Who's your mama? I don't even know. I don't have nobody tagged. They all pretty much look alike. There's a couple of them I can tell you who their mom is, but this batch is so uniform in color and markings, it's hard to tell. They're starting to eat, not a whole lot, but they are starting to eat, but they're over here in their baby pile. That's what I call it. They'll have some moms come over here and lay in front of them here in a little while, after they finish eating everything in sight. Well, there's one in the feeder. That's probably its mom next to it. Wow, the wind's starting to pick up. I wished it wasn't blowing like that. So I don't have a way to block the air. They're warm though. They're the north is blocked off, and God, she's huge. I'm thinking that's all food, but if it's not, we're in trouble. All right, I gotta take my camera back in the house. And, hi, where's your mama? That's your grandma. She's not hungry yet. She won't take a bottle. I tried giving her one. That's your kid, goofball. Alright guys, I hope everybody is safe and sound and not out driving around, because you could get stuck in a traffic jam. Happened to my friend yesterday. She was stuck in traffic before dark, and it was after midnight by the time she got home, so that sucks. Anyway, full force blizzard. I'm not going to measure the snow yet because it's too soon. I still have to feed the chickens, but I gotta take my camera inside first. And my bottle. Hope everybody stays safe, and see you soon.